So guys, look at this one here, okay? Take number 15 for instance, okay? And then number 15, you notice that they're not in the same. This one was pretty easy. Would you agree that like 13 was pretty easy overall? Now, given that 13 is easy overall, if we made 15 or 14 look like 13, that would make things much easier, wouldn't it? So, look at this. I'm going to change 15 into this. Tn equals the square root of 4n squared minus 1. I'm also going to do the square root of n plus 3 squared. By doing the square root of n plus 3 squared, have I changed the value? Because square root undoes squared. Okay? So if I said 4 and then I put a 4 and a 2 in there, it's still 4. So that's what I did. Now guys, look at this. We're then going to make it look a lot more like 13. And to make it look like 13, we're going to multiply the bottom out. Join the square root signs together. Multiply the bottom out. And then what's the highest value of n? N squared. So divide the top and bottom by n squared. And then what happens? And then cancel 1. So you're going to get 4 over 1, and the rest of them turn into infinities. Okay, and then you know it's 4 over 1, which equals 4. Okay,
Then what was the root 4 over 4?
Oh, sorry, root 4 over 1, which equals 2. So guys, I advise you to look at this video for number 15 then, because later on it's actually going to be a bit harder, because I actually did it a slightly harder way. Now, what about number, I don't know, what about number, go on, 18, so, number 18. I'm thinking number 18 then. Okay, exact same thing, square root it, put big square root brackets in this time, it's going to be 3n squared minus 1. You're going to change that to square root of 2n plus 3 squared. Then you're going to get, when you multiply 2n plus 3 by 2n plus 3, you're going to get 4n squared plus 6n, oh sorry, no, 12n plus 9. What's the biggest value of n squared? Sorry? Oh, what's the biggest value of n? N squared, so you divide them by n squared. Plus 12n over n squared plus 9 over n squared. Then what happens? Sorry? So that's going to be 3 over 4 because that cancels there, that cancels there, and then that's going to be 12 over n, 9 over n squared. So for all intents and purposes, it's the square root of 3 over 4. Okay guys.